So in this video, we will discuss three things: gitignore, cherry pick, and rebase. Okay. Okay. So the first one is gitignore. So gitignore is a file. Okay. So and it is always created at the root of the project. Okay. So I'll go to. Oh, I have not opened VS Code. Yeah. Let me open VS Code. So it is always created at the root of the project. Okay, so whatever I mention inside git ignore, so that will not go to github. Okay, so this is the concept of git ignore. Okay, so as the name indicates, it will ignore that and it will not push these changes to github. So these are all not changes, they are files or folders. Okay, so now I'm at the main project. Let me create a file. Okay, for git ignore, we don't, there is no extension, so just dot git ignore. So usually in real time project, so we'll keep these three things in git ignore file. Okay, so node modules, playwright report, and test results. So, an important point is, so here, so what we usually ignore is which are auto generated. Okay, the first point, then which are large and which can be recreated again. Okay, so as you know that node modules can be recreated again by using npm install. Excuse me. So using that command we can create node modules, and also node module is large, so we are not pushing this to github. And playwright report, so you know that, so it is auto generated. So whenever we execute any test case, it will create the report, so we don't want that report to go to github, so we will ignore it. And same for the test results. Okay, so this test result is also auto generated and we don't want this to go to github, so we are ignoring this. Okay, so this is what git ignore. An important point is, usually in real time git ignore will be created before the first commit. So before the first commit, so these things will not go to github. Okay, so I missed to mention this point, so now I'm saying this. Okay, so this is what about, this is all about git ignore. Okay. Okay, so the next one is cherry pick. Next one is cherry pick, and cherry pick is also very important concept. Okay, so cherry pick means taking one specific commits from branch. Okay, so example I'll say once again. So cherry pick means taking one specific commit from one branch and applying it to another branch. Okay, without merging. Okay, so this is important, without merging, taking specific commits from one branch and applying it to another branch. Okay, example, so I created a feature branch and I have five changes. It means I have five commits, but in the main branch I need only one commit. Okay, so what I'll do, I will cherry pick that commit. Okay, so usually in real time project, we usually cherry pick the one commit which has bug fix, or which has some smoke test kind of a thing. Okay, or we don't usually pick the unfinished work, or some functionalities are still need to be discussed, so those things we do not pick. Okay, so I hope you have got this cherry pick concept. Okay, so in a branch there will be five commits, so in the main branch I want only one commits, so what I'll do, instead of merging I will cherry pick. Okay, so I will show you this cherry pick. So what I'll do is, so I'll create a branch and yeah, I will create a branch and switch. The branch I will call it add tests demo. Okay, so this is the branch. Okay, I created and switch to this branch. Okay, so now what I'll do, so I'll go to this test, E to E final page. So I'll create a test case. I'll create one test case and I will commit. So in the same way, I will create three test case. Okay. So I'll copy paste the same and name I will say, I will just say test case one. Test case one. Okay, save. So now I will stage and commit this one. So name I'll give. So add test case one. I will stage and commit. I will not push. Okay. So here what I'm showing is I have a feature branch and I will do three commits. So again, I'll create one more commit. So I'll make some other changes and I will do one more commit. So I'll just say it test case 2, save, and I'll just change the name. That commit name I will say add test case 2. Okay, so now I will add another test case and I will do one more commit. I'll call it test case 3. Save, so stage and commit. Okay, so I have three commits. Okay, so to see that, the command is git log hyphen hyphen one line. So here it will show me the list of all the commits. Okay, so these are all the commits I have made in this branch. Okay, so add test case one. So after that, these many commits. So still there are resolve conflict. So these are all the commits are there so far. Okay, this is the end. Okay, so now which one I want? So this is taking from actions demo from this branch also. Okay, so what I want is I want only this one. Okay, so what I'll cherry pick now is I will cherry pick this only test case one. Okay, so using this command git git log hyphen hyphen one line, so it gave me the list of all the commits. Okay, so this is to view the commits. Now I have to decide which one I want. Okay, so now I want only the test case one commits to main. Okay, so another important point here is, so whenever you do the cherry pick, you should be on the main, not on the feature branch. Okay, so this is important. So press q. Okay, so we'll come out of that. Okay, so you should be on the main to do cherry pick. So I'll switch to main. The command is git checkout main. So now I'm on the main. So now I'll do cherry pick. So how to do the cherry pick? The command is git cherry pick. So after the space, you have to enter the commit name. Okay, so the name is nothing but that number. Okay, give space and I'll do scroll up a little. So I want the changes only this one. So add test case one. So I'll copy that. Okay. I'm in the main. So what I'll do, I'll type this command. Git cherry pick. Here it is. Cherry pick, give space. Okay. So this is the command. Press enter. Okay, so now you can say that main, so add test case one is added to it. So this is how we do the cherry pick. Okay, so the next concept is rebase. Okay, so this is also important concept in real time project. Many people work together, correct? So here I'm the only person, so it is hard to simulate the rebase, but I'll try to explain my best so we'll understand how it will work in real time. Okay. Okay, so let's say I created a branch. Okay, and I've added five commits. Okay, so I created a branch and I added 5 commits to that branch. But later, main branch got updated. So, main branch got updated means another engineer created the branch and he worked something on it and he raised a PR and he merged it. So, the main branch got updated. So, now my current branch is behind the main branch. Okay, so behind main branch means so the whatever the changes are present in the main are not in my feature branch. Okay, so it means the latest commits from the main are not present in my feature branch. Okay, so now if I try to create the PR, github will say that my branch is behind the main. So here in this condition, I can do two things. Okay. One is merge and another one is rebase. Okay. So in merge, what happens is, so if I do merge, I bring all the latest main changes to my branch. Okay, so main changes to my branch. Okay, so I don't want to do that. In industry, what they will do is they will do something called as rebase. So rebase means I take my commits. So I have 5 commits in my branch, correct? So I take my commits and I move all the commits on top of my latest branch. Okay, so I'll take my commits and I'll move them on top of my, so on top of main branch. So as if I started my work from the latest main. Okay, so now if I move my branch on top of main, so how does it look? It's like I created my branch out of recently updated main branch, correct? So this is what rebase is. Okay, so to understand simply, it is like moving my commits on top of the latest main. Okay, so to switch, sorry, to do this, we need to switch to the branch, not from the main. Okay, so we need to switch to the branch. So since I cannot show you, I will show you the comments, sorry, commands we use. Okay, so you have to switch to the your branch. Okay, so in order to do the, rebase, switch to your branch and do the fetch. And this is the command. So git rebase origin main, and you have to use this. And this git push force is mandatory. Okay, so you have to do this. So this is what rebase is. Okay, so I'll explain once again. So rebase means I don't want to merge, but I want to take all my changes or all my commits on top of the main branch. So it will look like I recently created the branch. Okay, so this is the concept of rebase. Okay, okay. So I hope you understood the concept of git ignore, cherry pick, and rebase. Okay, so if you think you learned something from this video, please do subscribe and like my video.